I see your goggles down. No need for thumbs. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. Mookie, your leader here after 1 with a 44.6 on to lap number 2. Just trying to get on the board is the big thing. So 59.5 for Sparky the Gray. Beard Machine with a 64.3. Ooh. Little contact, but rubbing is racing. Goose FPV with a 66.4. On to lap 3, we go with your leader, Mookie, and he just crashed out. He had a 39.6. So that's going to give him 2 laps. Oh, he's able to get back up. He's able to recover his craft remotely using turtle mode. And he's in the net. Lots of oohs and ahs. 10 seconds still to go here on the master race clock. So that is going to now move Sparky the Gray up in the number 1 spot. And it's going to be a buzzer beater. He's going to get an extra lap. Gets by in just enough time. 1 more lap to go for Sparky the Gray. And it'll be a checkered flag here for Beard Machine once he gets through. And Goose FPV as well. So what's really interesting is multipathing or the signal reflections causing that glitchiness on the screen. One of the other things that we're seeing is really shoddy antenna connections. And if you watch back in the live stream later, you can always scrub back DVR mode. You can see when it misses laps, and you can see how inferior the video is. And it's actually not the multipathing, it's actually a loose antenna, as the timing system is at pretty high sensitivity at the top of the gate. And having to do some catching up. That's what happens when you fly into gates repeatedly. It's done for Sparky the Gray. 3 laps in 2 minutes 53. That's going to put him in the number 11 spot. Mookie gets done 3 laps in 3 minutes and 2 seconds. That puts him in 12th. Looks like 1 more to finish. That'll be Goose FPV to round out lap number 2. And we'll have 1 more heat to go, and then we go to the top of the order. Come on, Goose FPV. We're behind you. There we go. 2 laps in 3 minutes 25 will be the official time for Goose FPV. That was heat number 8.